this is going to be one of the shortest POV videos on the channel, but nonetheless, it has just started raining. I'm down in the lovely Williamstown, and we're about to walk down this jetty and end it on the view of the city. So I hope you like it. Nice and easy little clip for me to get back into recording following my little chest infection, and yeah, go from there. That is so cute. This little boat here has the same name as my dog. Kinda. It's got a hyphen in it. Lola. That's amazing. There you go. So to the right you've got a lot more extra parking of yachts and small boats. I'm guessing this is quite expensive to do. And I don't really want to show you the full view over this side just yet, because it is quite spectacular, especially if you do like to look at cityscapes. I want to make sure you get a good little moment for yourself just to see what it's like as well. But as you can see in the sky right now, it is a little bit heavy, and the rain is just starting to drop in, so don't want to take too long. I'd imagine this being absolutely lovely at night as well. Oh, and 100% I'm hand holding this, so it will be a stabilisation will be required for the editing, so do that. Oh, you might be able to hear my horrible breath as well. Hi. I know, perfect timing, right? I'm not sure if this man at the end of the pier is fishing or not. It just seems to be what I want to do. Standing and contemplating. He's having a nice little cigarette. Okay. So, before I get to the man, I'm going to stop probably just at the second set of ladders, rather than right next to him, so I can have a good little chat. He is fishing, because there's a fishing rod there, so let's not disturb him and enjoy the view of the city. So here we are, through the boats, the central CBD of Melbourne in the skyline. What I will do is be very, very brave here. So I'll sit down on the pier, planted on the side of the dock, and zoom in. There we go. You can see the helicopter now.